SIR entered to the Karnataka state. After the
Of course,
election, there was a discussion in Karnataka. CM also had meeting. So how do you look at that, sir?
we know that we had got all information. We are educating all the party leaders across the party line. Even I don't mind, even BJP also or Janata Dal also, let they safeguard all the votes. It is the aim to see that the scheduled caste, the backward class and the minority votes is being um, uh, cut, but we will see that it is being protected. We don't want, everyone has to have their right. So everyone in bar in India is having. In Karnataka already 90%, 88, 19% has been mapped. But still we will try to educate all of them.
Sir, yesterday you wished Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. One second. Yesterday you wished Tamil Nadu Chief Minister.
Of course, I wished I had a call. I spoke to him. I wished him all the best. I have given some little bit of my personal experience and my admission, the issues on Tamil Nadu. I think he's a well experienced. He will get a little bit experience. Thanks to all of them who have supported him.